Reason number 3, you procrastinate. Procrastination is one of the biggest reasons people don't become wealthy. People who are in the midst of hard times often delay important steps that would bring their finances under control. Instead of putting in the work, they will say things like, "I'll do it later," or "I haven't gotten around to it yet." However, those who become wealthy know that these excuses don't pay bills. Being broke can really hinder the way someone leads their life, which is why it's so important to plan ahead. It can be really difficult for people who don't have any savings and are prone to spending money in impulsive ways to get themselves out of trouble. Wealthy individuals know the value of time and will tell you that it takes a lot of hard work to get there. Asking someone who is wealthy will reveal the actual hours they spend on their business, and more importantly, not procrastinating. Putting in more hours now means more money later on, which is why you should put in more work now if you want future success. So never make excuses, unless you are at a party and have to leave for the bathroom. And if you found this information educational, you should really further your knowledge by watching the full video. I'll see you over there.